Uninsured, underinsured. Hey, I'm Ray Alkali, and this is insurance tips for smart people. And what is uninsured, underinsured? Well, when you're driving around in the Twin Cities, at least, um, and somebody hits your car or T-bones you or causes damage, and they do not have enough coverage, you have uninsured or underinsured. Meaning, if they have minimum limits and the damage to you individually, personally, is higher than those minimum limits, you want to have coverage for yourself. So most people look at liability limits, but at the same time, they're insuring for others when they're doing liability limits. Uninsured, underinsured is more about you and whoever is in your car. So you want to have the same limits that you have on your liability to your uninsured, underinsured in order to cover yourself. In Minnesota, depending on the year and the economy, you could have 1 in 4 or 1 in 5 drivers on the road without insurance. That is an astonishingly crazy amount, but it is what it is. And you want to make sure that you are covered in case of an accident with somebody that does not have enough or any insurance. So uninsured, underinsured. That is a very important situation because there's a lot of examples out there of people having accidents and having to go to the hospital, and there's all kinds of issues when the other person doesn't have enough insurance to cover those things, and then it goes back to your policy. And if you don't have enough, then it's out of your pocket. So consider increasing those limits if you've bought online and you, which is one of the things that happens when you buy policies online. They usually give you decent liability limits on your vehicle, but at the same time, they give you lower liability limits for your uninsured, underinsured. So consider the same limits. And if you don't understand what any of this means or what you have, give me a shout or your agent and have them explain it to you, because that is an important thing of your auto policy. Ray Alkali, insurance tips for smart people. Share and like. And if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, please subscribe.